Let's learn 5 bug and insect idioms. Firstly, a face like a bulldog chewing a wasp. This means a very ugly face. For example, "You're off, you animal. You've got a face like a bulldog chewing a wasp." Knee-high to a grasshopper. This means very small or young. My boy just won his first football tournament. He's only knee-high to a grasshopper. Open a can of worms. This means do or say something that will cause more trouble than it's worth. Your ex is at the bar with another woman. You've just opened a can of worms. The birds and the bees. This means sex education. I'm about to teach 25 kids about the birds and the bees. Wish me luck. And finally, the worm has turned. This means someone retaliates against the person who has treated them badly. After being locked up and abused for years, the worm has finally turned. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.